I can't believe what I just heard. Could it be true? Are you the girl I thought I knew? The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Does anybody ever know? How did you heal a broken heart that feel like it will never beat this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go.